Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is Sarko suicide pod. A 64-year-old woman from the US became the first person to end her life using the Sarko pod in Switzerland. The incident occurred at a private forest retreat near the Swiss-German border. Several people have been arrested for alleged involvement in aiding or inciting suicide. The use of the Sarko pod raises legal and ethical concerns under Swiss law. The case has attracted widespread media attention due to the pod's controversial nature. What is the Sarko pod? The Sarko pod is a portable 3D printed chamber used for assisted suicide. It allows individuals to end their lives by pressing a button without medical supervision. The pod is named after sarcophagus, symbolizing a dignified death. Designed by the organization The Last Resort, it is intended to provide a peaceful and autonomous death. This incident marks the first use of the Sarko pod in Switzerland. Legal and ethical concerns. Switzerland allows assisted dying, but active euthanasia is banned. The Sarko pod's autonomous operation without medical involvement raises ethical issues. Legal experts question whether the device complies with Swiss assisted dying regulations. Several individuals have been arrested under suspicion of aiding or inciting suicide. The pod's use may test the boundaries of existing Swiss euthanasia laws. Reactions to the incident. The Last Resort organization described the death as peaceful and dignified. The woman reportedly suffered from severe immune compromise, which contributed to her decision. The use of the Sarko pod has ignited international debate over the ethics of assisted dying. Critics worry about the potential for misuse and the pod's implications for suicide laws. Supporters argue the device offers a dignified and autonomous way to end life. Now it's time for the practice question. What does Sarko stand for? Sarcophagus, safe room, sacred pod, secure chamber. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.